Today we are installing Windows 10 on this router. The router is used to connect to Wi-Fi and enjoy services. But how about installing Windows 10 on this? Welcome to the channel and let's get started. First, plug in this USB drive that contains the Windows 10 installation disk. See, and then connect the power supply. Then plug in the USB and mouse. They only have one USB port. Then then turn on the router. Okay. Okay, the router is being turned on. Then let's wait until the router boots up. As you can see, the USB drive is being detected. It indicates that the Windows 10 installer disk is being recognized. Now turn on the computer. The router will start. The router will now take this to the setup screen. Since then, this screen comes from the router. So let's set up this thing. Since then, we need to connect to the network. You can plug in the Ethernet cable to get access to connect to the network. So you can connect an Ethernet cable to the router. Let's use Express settings. Then it is going to get some updates to the router to improve the performance. Let's wait. Oh wait, a Microsoft account on the router? Let's log in. A Windows pin that's used to protect the router from signing in. Let's set that. Cortana also allows you to talk to your router. Prove it was discontinued and replaced with Copilot. What? Lenovo doesn't create routers. Why did they use this screen? Then, so we are going to skip this for now. Now we will set up. Now we are setting up the router. So this means you will be able to use Windows on this router. Yes, we are loaded into Windows 10 running on the router. But wait, what is that wallpaper? That wallpaper is for Lenovo, and as I told, Lenovo does not manufacture routers. Even there are Lenovo apps on the start menu and the taskbar too. So okay, let's change the wallpaper to a router. Let's search for router. edges. And we are going to choose this one. Wait, why is that not clicking? We are just saving the router wallpaper to downloads. Then settings. Personalization. And then let's apply the wallpaper. Oh, that that are the antennas of the wallpaper. This matches the router used to make this video, and that's good. So this Windows 10 is now successfully installed on the router. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching.